Hi everyone, my name is Eric Grabowski with the University of Hawaii Department of Oceanography. I'm here at Snug Harbor, the University of Hawaii's Marine Center. Behind me is the Kila Moana, also known as the KM. It's the flagship of the University of Hawaii's research fleet. This ship is going to be used on an expedition we're going to be embarking on Sunday, June 20th. We're going to be heading south of the island of Oahu in search of this feature that is formed that we've seen from space. And this feature is a phytoplankton bloom. We don't know what type of microorganism this is. We know it's plants that are growing. We're going to go and try to locate this feature using shipboard instrumentation. This is going to be a really exciting cruise. And the real focus of this cruise is to train the next generation of microbial oceanographers. There's 16 students from all over the world that are here to participate in this course. Part of the course is to go to sea and to teach them all the various techniques to sample the ocean. I had a chance to catch up with the chief scientist of this expedition, Dr. Matthew Church, as well as one of the instructors of the course, Dr. Greg Stewart, who will tell us a bit more about the cruise.
I'm Matt Church, and I am going to be leading the 6-day expedition as part of the Center for Microbial Oceanography Research and Education summer course, Genomes to Biomes.
And what is microbial oceanography? Well, when we think about what lives in the ocean, most of the time, most people will think about the fish and the whales and the sharks. But it turns out that most of what's living in the ocean is microscopic. And we don't think of it most of the time because it's so small we can't see it with the naked eye. But when we go out with our specialized tools and collection equipment, we'll be looking at these microscopic life forms. And it turns out there are more of them in the ocean than there is anything else. We'll be studying the tiny microscopic plant-like organisms that photosynthesize, just like the trees and grasses on land. And we'll be looking at even the bacteria and viruses that live in the ocean. Yes, it's true. Even in this clear blue water that we see, if you take a small drop of this water, it's teeming with bacteria and viruses.
So one of the exciting things about working aboard the Kila Moana is that there's a lot of space, so you'll be joining us and seeing all the different activities that will be taking place, both in the laboratories as well as in the galley where we eat, and in the lounge where we can find time to relax. And you'll be joining us for various science meeting in the conference room. So the ship really has all the amenities of both a home and a laboratory and even sort of an office space. So it's a very nice place to work. And we're excited to have you aboard.